Looking for the right concealed carry holster for your new HK CC9? Today, we're taking a close look at the MK-Tek holsters HK CC9 inside the waistband holster and showing you some of the features that make it a solid option for everyday carry. If you're carrying the HK CC9 daily, you'll want a holster that balances comfort, concealment, and consistent access. Let's take a look. The HK CC9 is quickly becoming a favorite among concealed carriers. It combines HK's reliability with a slim profile that is well suited for everyday carry. The lightweight design and excellent ergonomics and carry-friendly dimensions make this the ideal pistol for inside the waistband carry. But even the best carry gun benefits from a holster designed specifically for concealed carry. At MK-Tek Holsters, we build our HK CC9 holsters from precision-formed Boltaron or Holstex for durability and long-term retention. One of the features many concealed carriers choose is our optional Concealment Wing upgrade. The wing uses the pressure of the belt to rotate the grip of the firearm closer to your body. This is what reduces grip printing. This is why we're trying to stay more concealed under our everyday clothing. The adjustable retention allows you to fine-tune how the pistol draws and how it feels on reholstering. You'll find adjustable ride height and cant options so you can configure the holster for your preferred carry position. Straight for appendix, 15 for behind the hip. Whether you carry at appendix or strong side, or somewhere in between, you can customize the setup to fit your needs. The HK CC9 was built with concealed carry in mind. With pairing it with the right holster can make a big difference in both comfort and concealment. For those of you who choose the Concealment Wing option, belt pressure helps rotate the grip inward towards the body. Since the grip is often the part of the firearm that's most likely to print, this can make a concealed carry easier under simple t-shirt or lightweight cover. Combined with the slim profile of the HK CC9, the result is a carry setup designed for daily use and consistent concealment. When it comes to concealed carry, access matters. MK-Tek's holsters for the CC9 holster is designed to provide a full firing grip before the pistol leaves the holster. Knuckle under, no problem. The rigid Boltaron or Holstex construction maintains its shape and allows safe one-handed reholstering while providing a smooth and repeatable draw stroke. All the retentions on the trigger guard. So that's a close look at our HK CC9 inside the waistband holsters. Some of the features we've incorporated to support everyday concealed carry. If you're already carrying the HK CC9, I'd be interested to hear what you found works best for your setup. Leave a comment below and let us know how you're carrying yours. If you'd like to see more holster reviews, concealed carry tips, and product development updates from the shop, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us, and we'll see you in the next video.